Do you know how many hearts an octopus has? It might surprise you, but octopuses actually have three hearts. One heart is central, pumping blood to the entire body, while the other two pump blood specifically to the gills so they can breathe efficiently. And it doesn't stop there. Octopuses have 9 brains. 8 of these are in their arms, which let each leg move semi-independently, almost like having tiny mini-brains controlling them. The ninth is the central brain that coordinates everything. It's amazing, right? With all these hearts and brains, you'd think they could manage incredible things. But sadly, even with all this brains, they don't have their own space station.